Hello! So it's been a while. Today we're going to talk about hang on. Unplug it. We're going to talk about this thing right here. Let me just unplug you. This thing right here, which is for the sandblaster, which is for removing paint. Try not to drop this at the same time. Yeah. For removing paint off of these models. Now I've done extensive research on this, and for some reason this has got a burning smell coming from it. So I need to figure out how to stop that from happening. So I need to look at the user manual. This is what's holding these projects back. Like, being able to make content is like it's holding everything back, and that's what's it's affecting me personally. Only because I'm passionate about this. But anyway, let's get to work. The sandblaster air compressor works so much better outside. I had it on for a while, but there was no burning, no nothing. So that's a good sign. So the next stage is to get materials to put in the sandblaster to sand these babies down. Yes. This car needs to start from scratch again. Pretty much all my models do. So that means more content, more YouTube shorts coming out for these. Which is what my channel is built for. So, yeah. Oh, I'm so excited, man. Got the sandblasting material. Let's see if it works on the models. Gosh, I hope so. I hope so. We're using the test models to test it first. And yeah, we've got a whole grinding weekend to go. The sandblaster works. I am extremely happy with it because, my God, for the last few months or so has been very, very mentally challenging for me. Making the transition from just using my phone, just using spray paints to do the job. We're moving from spray paints to airbrush, and we're moving from sandblasting. We went for a phase. Paint stripper did not work. They just ruined my models. The rotary tool worked for a while, but I needed something more proficient. And the sandblasting works. My God, it's about goddamn time. So now I just need to get used to that. That means I need to get used to that. But once I do, more content coming out again. Man, We just need to look into getting a respirator mask. Once I've acquired that, I can get to sandblasting. Get these models all ready, prepped, blank canvas. We can start the designs again.